It is certainly very inspiring to see the community coming together to make a difference. This encapsulates the SG60 spirit of building a stronger Singapore together.
Dr. Lee and Priscilla.
I wish that there will be mental wellness for all, not just mental health, but mental wellness for all Singaporeans and for all of us.
Hello everybody, welcome to HugCommunity Services, where we are celebrating SG60 Threads of Unity through a fundraising show. So Hug is currently partnering with Ends In with all the beautiful clothing over here. Look, very nice. Her clothing is also quite nice and everything, and everyone else is really dressed well. You know, we're gonna have models, dog models, you know, our VVIPs coming in to watch our fashion show and everything. So yeah, I'm very excited.
I'm super excited for my modeling later. It's the first time I'm doing this sort of thing.
And Sena with her wonderful designs that we'll be sharing with you for the entire evening.
I think I feel very relieved. Months and months of hard work, finally it's done and it turned out very smooth. I'm so happy, so glad with all the support by the volunteer, by the people of HugCommunity, and especially from Pastor Grace and Reverend Jeff. Yeah, it's really amazing. I never had a fashion show like this, a fashion show that also give impact to the community and also serve the community, and also at the same time can fundraise for the good mission of HugCommunity. And hopefully we can have a bigger one next year. Thank you.
That's right, so today we actually have a fashion show happening over here, but it's actually more than just a fashion show. Now it's a movement of hope woven by the threads of compassion, courage and connection. Like the diverse backgrounds, cultures and generations of Singaporeans coming together to form a strong, cohesive social fabric as the nation celebrates its 60th birthday.
So a lot of people say, oh, after 60s is down the road. No. So let's do it, Singapore. We can do it together.
And at the same time, reintegration into the society wasn't easy too. There were moments of rejections and anxious moments, but we managed to face them together with the love that refused to give up. Are rebuilding a life full of purpose and hope in unity. Together we heal, together we rise, for love, for family, and for a new beginning.
I think what is key is that how we can continue to work together to support those vulnerable among us, as well as just the person next to us, to make life better for each and every one of us. I wish you all the best in the years ahead. Keep up your good work.
Oh. Thank you very much!
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen!
SG60!
A wonderful day, wonderful event, especially seeing the intergenerational unity, you know, and how HUX is bringing the different generation and impacting them together, yeah, in unity and with purpose.
Today has been quite a tiring day, but it's very fruitful because we've got to serve so many guests, and it's also really heartening to see all the elderlies come in and have fun with all of their friends.
I was so amazed at how the people gave their full heart sharing of what it means for them to be able to be redeemed, be given a second chance. So I love this, it has been amazing. And I'm so impressed by how the calligraphy is now worn by everyone. I love it.
This kind of ministry must be ongoing because there are many needy people around us.
And we feel very happy doing this because we feel that we really can make a difference by just putting a very small effort. If we all get together as one united nation, we can really make a difference. Yeah.
Nice clothes, nice performance, and nice people. Happy birthday, Singapore, SG60.